Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your CoinMarketCap application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your Google, your Apple account, or your email address and your password to log in. Now, after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the coin markets page, where you will be shown various different prices. Now, if you wish to secure your account using two-factor authentication, first of all, tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now, from this page, tap on Settings, and you will be taken into the Settings page. Now, from the Settings page, underneath Security and Privacy, you will find the Google Authenticator or 2FA option. You also have a biometric authentication that you can enable, which also acts as a two-factor authentication. So you can also enable this option if you don't wish to use Google 2FA. But if you wish to use extra security, then you can tap on Google 2FA option, and then you will be able to tap on the toggle button to enable Google Authenticator or the two-factor authentication options. Once you turn it on, if you don't have the Google Authenticator app already, you will be asked to download the application and then enter the key phrase that you find within the app. After you enter the phrase and finalize your connection, the two-factor authentication will be enabled within your account. And now, anytime you want to log in from any device, you will need to authenticate using the Google Authenticator. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.